How to fix Windows was unable to complete the format error. So if you want to fix the Windows was unable to complete the format error, then what you need to do is just go with the search. Under search, you need to search for CMD and go with run as administrator. Click on yes, and after that you will get this kind of interface. You just need to simply enter this part and hit the enter. And after that you need to enter list disk, hit the enter, and then select the disk. For example, I'll be selecting 0. You can simply choose the disk in which you are facing the problem, hit the enter, and after that you need to simply enter list partition and scroll down, and then again enter select partition, and then go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, any one of these. So just simply go with 1. And once you hit the enter, you need to go with the next command, which is format space fs equals to ntfs, and hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, wait for it to load to 100%, and after that you'll fix the Windows was unable to complete the format error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.